Hello guys, today we will learn about how to get prime tags on all your products. So before getting prime tag, you should be activated with guaranteed delivery program. Now what is guaranteed delivery program? Guaranteed delivery program means in guaranteed delivery, you will get 1 day delivery option or 2 day delivery option in selected states where you need to deliver your product within 1 day or 2 day. It can be your state as well. In local shop, it was self shipping in your local areas. In prime tag guaranteed delivery, it would be easy ship for 1 day delivery and 2 day delivery. So in guaranteed delivery, you will be using Amazon shipment only and not a local shop and private shipment. So after you get a guaranteed delivery, Amazon will check for 1 week or 2 week whether you are getting your orders and you're delivering in given time or not. So after checking that, you can apply for prime tag all over nation. So how to apply for guaranteed delivery, and after getting guaranteed delivery, how to apply for prime tag. So let's dig in. So again, come to your home page, click on this setting icon and click on shipping settings. Scroll down. As you can see, our local shop is activated. Come to your Seller Central homepage. In settings, write guaranteed delivery form. After searching for guaranteed delivery form, scroll down and click on the first link, which is guaranteed delivery eligibility. So in guaranteed delivery eligibility, so after 1 day delivery and 2 day delivery hyperlink, you can see click here. So we need to click on here. Easy ship guaranteed delivery and easy ship prime eligibility check. So here Amazon has given you a form. You need to fill this form. So first one is merchant token. So now what is merchant token? Merchant token means Amazon has given you a unique token number. So how to get that? So open a new tab, open Seller Central. Go to settings and account settings. So in business information, as you can check, there is your merchant token. So after clicking on your merchant token, you will be able to see your merchant token over here, and you can just click on copy, or you can select and press Ctrl C. Go to your survey page again and paste your merchant token over here. Write your registered email ID. So if you know your registered email ID, you can write directly. Now we have to select program. So there are two options. First one is Easy Ship Guaranteed Delivery Program. Second one is Easy Ship Prime. Only in bracket, only for seller on guaranteed delivery. That means you first need to go with guaranteed delivery program, and after that only you can go with Easy Ship Prime. And click on submit. So thank you for submitting your eligibility check request. So after you apply for your form, within 2 to 4 hours, Amazon will give you a mail that you have been accepted for guaranteed delivery program. So after that, what you need to do, after submitting, come to your Amazon Seller Central homepage, click on settings and shipping settings. In Easy Ship, as you can see, guaranteed delivery, eligible for guaranteed delivery. That means after submitting your form within 3 to 4 hours, you have to go to your shipping settings and Easy Ship, and here you will be able to see eligible for guaranteed delivery. So within 3 to 4 hours, automatically this page will open again, and you will get more settings where you will be asked whether you want to charge any shipping or not, and which type of shipping you want to use, same day delivery, 1 day delivery, or 2 day delivery. The same setting which we used for our local shop, the same setting will be appearing over here. After getting the approval for guaranteed delivery, again you need to go to this form. Okay, so again go to Seller Central, search for guaranteed delivery form. Click on the first link and click here. Again, paste your merchant token over here, your registered email ID over here, and then click on Easy Ship Prime. So after getting guaranteed delivery program, within 2 days, you can apply for Prime tag and Amazon will approve your Prime tag if you are processing your order time to time, if your order are getting delivered on time to time. So make sure there is no shipping violation on your account health if you want to apply for Prime. So after receiving Prime, how your account would look, let's see. So in the shipping settings, if you go to Easy Ship, you will get a box where seller fulfillment Prime enrollment, and you will get an enable and disable option where you want to enable your Prime tag or you want to disable your Prime tag. After getting guaranteed delivery, you have to go to shipping settings and add charges or decrease charges or tick mark or untick mark what all delivery program you want. After that, within 3 to 4 days, you can go with the same procedure and then apply for Prime tag. And after applying for Prime tag, Amazon will look to your account health whether you are delivering your product at time or no. After the green signal from Amazon, you have to go here in shipping settings in Easy Ship. Like after 3 to 4 days after applying for Prime tag, then in Easy Ship you will get a new box which says eligible for Prime, enable and disable. This means your Prime tag is active all over India. Yes, all over India. So make sure you are applying for Prime tag because it gives a bit confidence to the customer before purchasing. And in Amazon.in as well, as a customer, they get a filter called Prime products only and non-Prime products only. So maximum of the customer do select Prime product only because all the customers have faith in Prime products. So having a Prime tag for all your product is a mandatory task if you want to grow your business and if you want to achieve greater targets.